As a Nigerian, the Okpa or Bambara moi moi that we all know is made with red palm oil. But today I decided to try something different. I needed to do white Okpa without the red palm oil. Hello buddies, welcome back to my channel. This is my food and life history. Today I made white Okpa. Yes, just relax and let me show you how I made this. So to make this white Okpa, I had to measure some Bambara flour that I have at home. So I just measured a little bit of it. I shared a video earlier how to make this Bambara flour if you want to make yours. I also shared a video how to make Okpa with red palm oil. So today I'm making my Okpa with vegetable oil or groundnut oil. So what you see me adding is vegetable oil or groundnut oil. So I added a little bit of water to the Bambara flour, then added the vegetable oil. So this took me like I added about 1/8 cup of the vegetable oil. The oil you're going to add depends on the quantity of the Bambara flour you are making for the Okpa, okay? But the one I'm making is not that much, that's why. So the next thing, I started adding hot water gradually. So I found that the oil wasn't enough, so I added a little. But you don't need to add your oil after this time. Once you are done adding water, don't add extra oil because you're going to run your whole batter and everything. So after adding the oil and adding the quantity of water I needed, I then added my fresh pepper. I used my hand grater to grate in my fresh pepper. Then I added some uziza, blended uziza seed, and then added some salt. Okay, so after adding this, I mixed everything together. That blended uziza seed is going to give this extra taste, I'm telling you guys. Then I went ahead, added extra water, just a little bit of water because I wanted my Okpa to come out softer. So after adding the last water, I mixed everything together and then transferred into a waterproof bag. A lot of people are saying it's not good to cook up with waterproof bag, this and that. Anyways, whichever thing you have, you can use it. This has been the way we cook it, and I don't know, I don't have any other thing at the moment to use. You can use the plantain leaves or banana leaves, anyone, but this is what I'm using at this moment. And when you want to tie it, make sure that you tie it so that there will not be air space at the top. Okay, I talked about this in my main Okpa video the other time. Okay, so once you are done tying all these together, make sure that as you are making all this, preparing all this, your water is on heat already. Your water is heating up because you need your water to boil before you drop in your Okpa inside the water. If not, you're going to run everything. Yes, so you need your water to be boiling before you're going to transfer everything into the water. So once I was done tying the Okpa, my water was boiling already. I had to shake the Okpa. You have to shake so everything will mix thoroughly again. Then drop it inside the boiling water or the boiled water, whichever one. Then I stirred it. This stirring is very necessary so that everything, because if you shake it and drop it in the water direct, the main Okpa sediment will just settle at the bottom of the pan and it won't turn out well. So you have to stir it and let it cook for 1 hour. After 1 hour, your Okpa is ready. Guys, oh my goodness, this is one of the best Okpa. The taste was even better than the one made with red palm oil. I'm serious. Thank you buddies. Bye bye.